Today we are playing Roblox Miss Happy's Toy Shop. I'm playing with my sister. She's also gonna play with me. Let's do this. I hope I beat this today. Cause I really wanna beat it today. Do it all in one shot, in one video. Okay, that's, wow. There's my sister. She's joining me. Like she's right there. Come on. It's a speed run. Like, if I get there first. Okay, let's see. Oh, she's chasing. And we're gonna do this in hard mode. Not easy. Come on, sis, keep up. You ain't gonna do. Oh my gosh, now she's ahead of me. Run, 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 run. She's gonna catch me. She's gonna catch me. Oh no, run, 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 run. I'm not gonna make it. I'm gonna die. No, go. Ah, she got me. Okay, try again. Run, run, don't look back, don't look back. Run, run, run. Oh, she's chasing me. She sounds so weird when she's like stepping around. So weird. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Oh my god, she's crawling the wets. Jeez, man. Go, 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 go. Okay, I outsmarted. My sister was waiting for me, although it was a speed run. Time. She didn't, like, I'm not doing recording, so let me just destroy. Oh my god, I clearly touched the spikes. How did I not die? Okay, I'm gonna like cheat. I'm not gonna wait for her in the speed run. I'm just gonna keep going. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. What the heck is wrong with me, bro? This is so hard. Jump. Jump. Okay, I don't want to buy this, whatever it is. Oh my, oh no, no. I go up. Oh man, I have to die. This is hard enough. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, I cannot believe that I made it in my second try. Okay, try again. Okay, I can't even jump now. For some reason, I can't even jump now. Jump. Okay, jeez, man. Jump. Jump. Okay, I'm gonna get ahead of her by jumping over these. I don't know what the hell they are. Oh, they're dynamite. Or landmines, as you call them, I think. Okay. Jump. Jump over these. Avoid the obstacles. That's the point of the stupid game and Roblox. I'm sick right now and I'm doing Roblox videos. This is impossible. Jump. Go, 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 go. Run. Jump. Okay, jump. 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 Okay, get aside. Jump. Jump. Don't die. Final jump. Let's go. I don't know why she's waiting for me. It's a speed run. I know there's like no way I can do a speed run, but I'm just trying to do as like it's a race. I'm doing a race with him. So you can come down first. And I bet I can because I'm better at my sister in Roblox. Like, she may not seem so dumb right now, but I'm playing on a mobile. I'm playing on mobile, so that's why I'm not doing so well. She's playing on a computer, which is very easy. Okay, I'm gonna do this. She fell. Yeah, let's go. I'm ahead. Jump. Jump. Okay, go here. Jump again. And go. Okay. And get up. Get up. Okay, go, go, go. Okay, Miss Happy says I like beans. Yeah, whatever. I don't like beans. Like you. Oh, that was a little mean. Whatever. Let me just get up. Come on already. It's not that hard. Hell no. Tripping. It's too hard. Since I'm playing in hard mode, I guess it is hard. It might not be hard for you guys since you are Roblox pros, but I'm playing Roblox on mobile and I just don't get up this stupid ladder and get like I will play Minecraft on my channel. Okay, can I just I'm way better at that. I know it's a Roblox hobby, but please. I don't prefer Roblox. Oh, let's video games out of video games to all you Roblox fans out there. Oh my god, I can't see anything. My game's so glitchy. I'm just gonna add effects so it seems glitchy, but it's not. I'm gonna add glitchy effects, dude. Oh, an earthquake is occurring, and now it's gonna get glitchy. Oh man, I died. Okay, the glitchiness is gonna start again. Just kidding, I'm just gonna put more memes. Okay, now earthquake. Now glitchy. And now the weird one. Oh man. I'm gonna make my screen roll over a couple of times so it makes you guys are gonna be like, what the heck is happening, bro? Okay, so like right before Miss Happy gets me, I'm gonna be like upside down. If you like that, like and subscribe, cause I'm gonna do way more glitches like this and many memes. Oh my god, get it again. Just like that, I beat the video game with my sister. Okay, let me get out of here. Get out of here. Speedrun master, bro. Let's do this. So, like if you're a Ronaldo fan and subscribe if you're a Messi fan. Okay, get out of here. Whoa! Go. Whoa! Go. Last stop to make. Go! That was right there. Oh man, a Rubik's Cube? Hell no. Okay, this is gonna be a way long procedure than I think it's gonna be. It's gonna take me like 5 hours. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be very hard. Oh my god, how can I do this? I don't understand the fact, how am I gonna do this? Okay, oh my god, this is so hard. Okay, go, run, jump. Oh my god. Okay, I can never do this. It's taken me 5 years, but I'm still not gonna be able to do it. Okay, I'm gonna roll over and do a couple of memes. I'm gonna get this back over with. Like and sub if you love memes. Okay, oh my god, quick! This is impossible. Okay, can I just do this? Oh my god, my little brother's crying. This is officially very hard. I just wish I could just sit back and eat a bowl of ice cream in my house. I just want to get out. Oh my god. I'm stressing out for a YouTube video. Can I just do it first person? It's never easy in first person. Let me try anyway. I'm doing it. What? Did it? No! Oh my god, I practically did it. And then I just died. Okay, can I do it this way? Okay, there's no way I can do it like that. I gotta zoom back in. Okay. Hopefully, let's do this on our 99th attempt. Okay, I know it's not our 99th attempt, but I don't care. It's taking me too long. Hell no. Dripping. I'm dripping myself out. Oh, I literally did it again and died. I wish I jumped. This is so hard. I wish I can quit. Okay. Jump. Yes, I finally made it. I don't want to do anything more. I just want to get out of here.
Okay, let me
Oh,
just
my
get out.
sister is running behind, although she was waiting for me. I used a cannon, launched myself straight in the face on a wall. Oh my god, I'm jumping face to face with dynamite. And I'm running away from my sister because this is a speed run and I just remembered. Oh my god. My sister just blew up in front of my eyes. Okay. Jump. Jump. Okay, that was close. Jump. Jump. Press that button. It's pressed. Jump, jump. Jump. And jump again. Oh my god, I missed on the last jump. Okay, is the button still pressed? Wait. Oh my god, I have to press it again? Oh no, I don't. Yay, but I died
So
again.
frustrating.
Of course I do. Why not? Oh, I got too angry there for a second that my whole screen started shaking. Oh my god. I hate this. My sister's ahead of me. Do it already, man. Hell no. Oh, she's pressing the button. What the hell? Can't I do it already? Jump, 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 and jump. Oh, this is so hard. Let me just drop to the ground again for no reason. Okay, now what? We'll beat this game in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see all of you in the next video.